I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
Hello YouTube family and welcome back to Cooking with Sab. I hope you're having a wonderful day and most importantly, happy fall. Today I'm making 2 recipes using pumpkin puree. What better way to start fall? Can you agree? I couldn't agree more. Comment down below if you agree. Today we're making a delicious pumpkin pie smoothie and we're making pumpkin oatmeal muffins. They are both dairy-free, they are egg-free, they are healthy, they're delicious, they're quick, and they are easy. Comment down below your favorite food that has pumpkin in it or your favorite fall food. As fall is coming around, the weather is getting chilly and I'm looking for more comfort food, so let me know if you guys would like to see me make anything. Alright, for the ingredients, you'll need 2 cups pumpkin puree, 2 cups oatmeal flour, 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey, or if you have maple syrup, that is preferred, and you can also use sugar. Either or is fine. I had honey on hand, so that's why I'm using honey. Dark chocolate chips or any chocolate chips of your choice, pumpkin seeds and chia seeds, both 2 tablespoons. I have 1 ripe mashed banana, and for my spices I'm adding in allspice, cinnamon, a pinch of ginger, and baking soda. At this time you want a bowl and you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees before we begin making the batter. Now, first we want to combine all of our wet ingredients. So first my mashed banana is going in, then my 2 cups pumpkin puree, and then my honey will be going in after. Once you have everything in there, just incorporate it together really well. Look at how beautiful that color is, and if you guys are enjoying the video so far, give it a like. Now you're going to mix your dry ingredients and just give it a good stir and combine everything. Now you want to put your dry ingredients into your wet, and we just want to fold this in gently and just really combine everything. And how I made my oat flour, I just blended 2 cups of oatmeal in a blender and I got this fine powder. If you do not have oat flour, that is another way you can make it. Now we're gonna fold in our dark chocolate chips, our pumpkin seeds, and our chia seeds, and you just want to combine that to fold it in. You don't want to be too aggressive with it, just make sure everything is combined. Now here I have my muffin tin tray and I'm just greasing it with coconut oil. If you have little muffin tins, go ahead and place that in, but I'm conserving paper and I'm just going with this, and it works perfectly fine every time. Now I have an ice cream scooper here, and I'm just scooping an ice cream size into the muffin tin and just pressing it down. And there you have it. Now I'm gonna garnish the top so it looks cute with some cranberries, with some oatmeal flakes, and some pumpkin seeds, because when you bake these and they come out of the oven, it looks really cute and it adds a nice little garnish. And have a cup of joe while you're waiting. Now for the pumpkin pie smoothie, you'll need 1 cup of coconut milk of your choice. I'm using light coconut milk, 1 date, a frozen banana, and a 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree. And you just want to throw everything in a blender. It's super easy. Just scoop it on in there. Throw your date in there. Put the lid on and give it a shake until you have a blended smoothie. Wow, so magical. I'm just kidding. Blend your smoothie, do not shake it. And there's your pumpkin pie smoothie, and our muffins are ready. Just plate your muffins. There you have it, 2 pumpkin puree recipes, perfect for fall. My pumpkin pie smoothie and my oatmeal pumpkin muffins. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying this video so far, and to look forward to more videos. Now let's give these a try. My pumpkin pie smoothie, it is thick, it is creamy. It tastes like pumpkin pie, and the date adds a perfect sweetness. It is moist. You can taste the pumpkin, you can taste the dark chocolate chips, the pumpkin seeds, the chia seeds. We put so much in there. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I had so much fun making this. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below, and comment your favorite fall recipe. I would like to see what you guys like and possibly give a recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day. Bye.